Hey, what's up, guys? Well, welcome back to the channel, and I'm over here back at the Champion Lake. The other day they were biting pretty good, and hopefully today we can catch a pretty good sized bass. I'm gonna start shallow. Well, that's where right now I'm seeing all the activity. There's a lot of eating on surface there. I might start with swim bait, but there's a lot of activity on surface right now. Probably gonna start shallow and then move my way all the way to deeper areas. And hopefully we can catch ourselves a pretty good bass today. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm gonna swap. There's a bunch of small ones eating on surface, and I'm gonna try bottom. What? That was a really small bass. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Nice one. It's a nice one. Yeah. Nice. Nice fish. Look at this. Nice little fish. First one. Yeah, I mean, I have to swap to like really small worm, and then just fish a little bit slower. And here it is. It's a nice fish. First one. So we can catch more. I think there's more out there. Here it is. All right, buddy. Oh, got a good one. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 come here. Oh, he's stuck on those. There he is. Oh my God, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. Look what they're eating. Woohoo! Yeah. This. All right, guys. Well, here she is. I mean, she fought pretty good, and look at that belly. She's nice and fat. She's really fat, and like I said, I mean, she fought pretty good. It was pretty awesome, guys. And so it's time to go ahead and release her. Let me go ahead and get a good spot over here in the back, and let's go ahead and do a good release. There she goes. There she is. Oh, that's a good one. Good one. Oh, I got one. Oh! That was a big one. That was a big one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, it's fighting pretty good. Fighting good. Fighting real good. Small one. Yeah, it's just a bunch of these right there. It's a big school. It's a big school. Oh, there it is. Got another one. They're right here. They're fighting pretty good. They're all about the same size. They're pretty good. Here it is, another one. They're fun. Here it is. They're all over here. There's a bunch of them over there. See, can't you more? They're fun. Here it is. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. And you know, today was a pretty good day. I caught all my fish real shallow, and I did look for the coolest part of the lake. So so I was fishing. It was probably 78, 79 degrees where I was fishing. There were some spots that it was a lot warmer. It was probably like 81, 82. I did try those spots. I didn't get any bites. I came over here to the cooler water, and that's where I started getting all the bites. You know, like I say, that fish, I mean, she fought pretty good, and I mean, even the small ones, I mean, they were fighting pretty good. I mean, they seem pretty strong. I'm just hoping you guys enjoy the video, and guys, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.